Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 471A Featherston Street. This beautiful character has a couple of options for you. We've either got 4 bedrooms or you can have a 3-bedroom with 2 living spaces. It's beautifully carpeted throughout, it's been painted, it's got nice little touches, LED light windows, and the location is also great. Look, that's enough from me. I'm gonna do a bit of reading, you go through and have a look and check out this beautiful home. As you can see, this home is cozy as a knitted blanket. Look, it won't last long. Give me a call or come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.